So, hey guys, thank you so much for joining in. My name is Derek, and for those of you who don't know, I'm the co-founder of the Hacker Collective. And in short, right, if you don't know, the Hacker Collective is a place where people of different backgrounds, right, be it techies, digital marketeers, data scientists, designers, or even in this case, blockchain enthusiasts or traders, will come together and achieve common goals together, right? It can be things like self-learning, a new skill, starting your freelancing career, learning how to make money online, or even just as simple as making new friends, right? The whole idea here is to help each other go from where we are to where we want to be. That's that, okay? So I hope you guys are looking forward to this session because I spent a lot of time hunting down this pro, Douglas. I hunt him down, message him every day to do this sharing session. And, I hope you guys make the most out of it and ask as many questions as you like.
Yep.
Feel free to just drop a message in the comment section.
Chat
Douglas
box.
will answer you guys. Yeah, in the chat box. Douglas will answer you guys, and I hope you guys can on your videos as well so that we can see your beautiful faces. And I'm sure Douglas will appreciate that too. So without further ado, Douglas, why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself and let's start.
Okay, so I'm Douglas Wong from ChartDWorks. So ChartDWorks is one of my branding. Okay, one of my company is a consultation company. We are mainly focused on financial and investment education. Okay, and then other than that, we're also doing like financial advice consultation part for investors. So that's all ChartDWorks about. So before I start, once again, I want you guys to prepare notes or paper or pen. Okay, if you guys using a computer, you guys can open up a notepad or something. So you guys can note down anything that you guys want to ask later, or those are important points that you guys want to take note of. Okay, so shall I start now? Any question? On me? Okay, so no question. I will proceed with today's topic, DeFi, decentralized finance. So DeFi is the next financial disruption. That's my point of view. I think that is something huge that we need to look into it. Okay, so the topic for today, I will share about what is DeFi. Okay, DeFi versus CeFi, and DeFi infrastructure, which means I will break this DeFi thing into three parts. Okay, for you guys to understand easier. Okay, so next, what is DeFi? Okay, before going into DeFi, right? Okay, let's talk about Bitcoin first. Okay, because we all know that Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. Okay, Bitcoin is not controlled by banks, government, or any central authority. Okay, and then Bitcoin can be sent or received by anyone, of course, with Bitcoin wallet. Okay, so Bitcoin itself has already achieved decentralized money. Okay, in another word is that Bitcoin can be transfer of value without limit. Okay, so on this part, the keyword will be decentralized. You saw now? You guys can note down, the keyword is decentralized. So on this part, I will not talk, in details about what is blockchain. Okay, I assume you guys already know what is Bitcoin, and the behind the technology is blockchain, and money, of course, you guys know already. Okay, so let's take a look to our current financial system. Okay, we call it centralized finance, or CeFi they call it. Okay, because we know that financial system is not limited to only money transfer. Okay, we have loans, saving plans, credit card, or any other money related services. Okay, so you see our current financial system, right, is so centralized that we only rely on a central authority, which means we rely on the banks. Okay, we save our money there, we do our transfer, everything through banks. Okay, or we call it financial companies. Okay, even we trade stocks or invest on stocks, right, we also need to go through a broker, or we use banks as a trading platform. So you see, the current financial system, right, is so centralized that it directly affecting us as a user. You see, the current financial system is prone to risk such as mismanagement, okay, like fraud or corruption. Okay, So this is the reason why DeFi is here. Okay, so DeFi, in other words, is a financial system without central authority. You saw or not? Okay, DeFi is trying to replace middleman with smart contract. Okay, so you guys like starting to get confused, like, if without middleman and how this thing gonna works? Okay, still confused? Never mind. Just remember this keyword: blockchain. Okay, smart contracts, no middleman, no restriction. So let me pause a bit. Any guys? You guys any question so far?
Nope.
No at all. Let me check this chat box. Okay, good to go. So no question, right? Which means everybody is clear. I just want to be sure. Good to go. Good to go. Yes. Okay, great. So let's go into our next part. Okay, just now I believe you guys still like blur a bit. Okay, so let's dig deeper into another layer. Okay, let's look into DeFi infrastructure. Okay, in other words, we gonna talk about DeFi backbone. Okay, like how DeFi actually works. Okay, so the first thing, we go back to our main technology, which is blockchain. Okay, so blockchain is a technology, okay, or they call it a system that record information in a way that makes it difficult to, you know, to change or to hack or to cheat the system. Okay, so blockchain is actually a technology. Okay, so you guys, you can look at this Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin itself is the cryptocurrency, but blockchain itself is the technology behind Bitcoin. Okay, so blockchain part, I will not talk about it too much. Okay, maybe you guys can note down and then you guys can go and research further how blockchain actually works. Because if I would like to talk about blockchain, right, you're gonna take like few hours time or half a day, okay, just to understand how blockchain actually works. But to keep it simple, blockchain is actually just a technology, okay, a technology that records information and a way that we cannot change after we recorded. Okay, that's the most simple explanation for everyone on blockchain. Okay, so DeFi, the first base will be blockchain. Okay, just imagine it's like a Lego block. The first thing will be blockchain. Okay, so on the second part will be smart contract. Remember or not? Just now we talked about smart contract. Okay, smart contract. Just separate these two words to understand it. Okay, smart contract. So contract, we all know that contract is actually an agreement. Okay, so smart contract is a protocol or a system rules, okay, that runs an agreement between A party and B party, okay, and being written into a line of code, which means this contract is a digital contract, okay, compared to our traditional contract. It's a paper we need to print out and then we need to read through it and sign. But for smart contract, it is a digital contract, okay, and that it is smart. Okay, how smart? Later I'll talk about it. Okay, you just remember the first layer blockchain, second layer will be smart contract. So smart contract is on top of blockchain. Okay, so we have these two things blocked together, chained together, and then here comes the third part, cryptocurrency. Okay, cryptocurrency is an asset or digital asset that designed to work as a medium of exchange, just like our money. You saw or not? Individual coins ownership record stored blockchain. Okay, the keyword will be blockchain again. You saw or not? Cryptocurrency is actually a asset, digital asset, and then this digital asset is work on blockchain. You saw or not? So just like I mentioned just now, Bitcoin itself is a cryptocurrency, but behind it, it's running using blockchain technology. Okay, so why Bitcoin has such crazy value? You see, why is Bitcoin having such crazy value? 36,000 US dollar, okay, but previously around 60s or near 70,000 US dollar. So why is it have value? Because people trust on this cryptocurrency, but indirectly they are trusting this system, this blockchain system. Okay, so let's go into the fourth part of DeFi. We have decentralized exchange. We call it DEX in short term, in short form. So decentralized exchange is actually a peer-to-peer marketplace or a platform that connects cryptocurrency buyer, seller, lender, and borrower, which means we have two parties, supply, demand. Okay, so this is DeFi. We have these four structure inside it: blockchain, smart contract, cryptocurrency, and decentralized exchange. So you guys still like, blur, what is smart contract? All right. Any feedback? Or you guys want to ask anything before I move on to explain what is smart contract? Any question? Any question?
Yeah, I just would like to ask, how would I know which one is the smart contract when I implement the DeFi technology in this case?
Okay, for this smart contract, later I will show you, after a few more slides, I will show some demo on how DeFi gonna works and how you're gonna check this smart contract thing. Okay? Okay, so let's talk about smart contract. How smart contract works. Okay, let me share something. I share this whiteboard. Maybe I can draw out to you guys. One moment. Okay, I just share my whiteboard. Do you guys see or not? Whiteboard. Can someone please clarify?
Yo, yep.
Yes.
Okay, great. So I will use one example, most simple example to everyone to understand what is smart contract, because smart contract is playing a very important role in this DeFi thing. Okay, that's why I will emphasize more on this smart contract. So just imagine today, you guys have a property or maybe you guys want to rent. Okay, usually we'll go and look for this guy, this middleman, correct or not? Real estate agent, or we call it property agent. So
Yeah.
what this property agent gonna do? He will prepare this we call tenancy agreement. Let's say I want to rent my property. Okay, so the agent will prepare one document. I mean the contract to owner and also tenant, or maybe he will draft out first, and then we both agree. Then we only finalize a physical contract that we both need to sign. Correct or not? So for owner, okay, he will get one copy about this rental agreement, and tenant also same, you will get this agreement. So the term will be easy lah. Okay, we keep it very simple. Tenant want to rent from this owner. Okay, owner want to rent his property to this tenant. Okay, to safeguard both parties, we need to have a agreement. Okay, so the agreement will draft everything lah. Like, okay, once tenant pay, I will need to hand the key to this tenant, blah blah blah, everything. So we just keep it simple. Okay, the owner will like, okay, key to tenant ma. Okay, and then tenant side also same lah. Okay, tenant willing to pay X amount of rental. Okay, that's how this thing works. And then once they both agree, they will proceed to sign, and then the tenant will pay the money to the agent, not directly to the owner. Correct or not? So the agent will hold the money first, the payment, we call it the upfront or whatever, or the rental fees. Okay, and then the owner also will give the key to the agent. Okay, so once they both pass this agreement to chop and sign everything, okay, then the agent will proceed to pass the money to owner after deducting his commissions or anything, and then the key will be handed over to the tenant. Okay, this is the most traditional way of our contract, is it or not? So what if today we use smart contract as this to implement on this transaction. Okay, let me clear everything and draw again. Okay, same owner, but this time no agent. Okay, directly owner versus tenant. Okay, so how this transaction gonna take place? Let's say we use smart contract. Okay, so how this smart contract gonna execute? Very simple. You just imagine today, both party they already agree this. Sorry. So both party they already agree on same. They will have a contract. Inside they will mention everything about the contract. Okay, how much the payment is, what is the tenant will do, or how much they need to pay. Okay, everything same like traditional contract. Okay, so one thing different is that when the tenant need to make the payment, right? Okay, the tenant will be made through blockchain or this smart contract. Okay, through blockchain. So the money will be locked inside smart contract. Okay, this is the input for smart contract. So the smart contract will get triggered by the tenant payment. So once the smart contract already triggered by this payment, the owner will get notified. Okay, so this tenant has already paid the rental. So it's time for me to hand over the key to tenant. You saw now? So here comes the question. Some of guys, I think some of you guys already thought of lah. What if the owner doesn't pass the key to tenant? What will happen? Same. We have few scenario. The first scenario will be, let's say if within a period of time, the tenant did not get paid the transaction will be reversed back to tenant. Okay. How about the second scenario? What if the money is still locked inside this smart contract? Okay, tenant can actually proceed legal advice or proceed to sue this owner using this smart contract. Okay, actually I did some research on this smart contract and also our Malaysia law. Okay, subject to different countries. Based on what I know, right, as long as this smart contract is legit, okay, and this transaction really do take place, right, they can actually file a legal case for this particular transaction. Okay, based on there's a law in Malaysia in 1950. I'm not sure, but you guys can actually go and research further. I won't talk about it much. So there's these two scenario for this transaction. So in another words, we put it in a simple way. Smart contract actually force us to be honest. You guys agree or not? Or you guys still blur on this part? Any question, guys? Smart contract. You guys need to understand what is smart contract first. Anyone? Got a second this one. Understood. Others? Yes. Okay. Great. Okay. So I assume everyone already understand what is smart contract. Okay. So let me get back into this. Let me get back to my slide. Crystal clear. Nice explanation. Great. Okay. So back to the slide. Okay. So once again, let me repeat. DeFi infrastructure, DeFi protocol is using blockchain. And then on top of it, we have smart contract and then cryptocurrency, okay, as a value of transfer or asset transfer. And then fourth will be decentralized exchange. So why we need to use, why there is a DEX, where is it present? Okay, first will be no account or no sign-ups. Okay, when we try to use this platform, right, decentralized exchange, right, we are actually not like using Facebook, we need to sign up using our email, we need to verify ourselves, we need to do KYC, we call it know your customer. Okay, but in DeFi or in decentralized exchange, right, on this kind of platform, we doesn't need to use any email or any sign-ups. Okay, no verification, free for all, which means anybody, anywhere in the world with internet, they can actually have access to decentralized exchange. Okay, and then no foul play. This means that everybody is equal fairness, no cheating. Okay, because we are actually utilizing blockchain technology and also smart contract. So everyone that use DeFi or use DEX, we are actually forced to be honest. Nobody can cheat. That's the most interesting part of DeFi and also this blockchain technology. Okay, last will be trustless and decentralized. Okay, so like what I mentioned just now, we in this cryptocurrency or DeFi, in this world, right, in this crypto world, right, we trust no one. We all trust the system itself. Okay, wonderful. So before I move on, you guys have any question on this text? Anybody? You guys can actually turn on your mic. No question, no question. Then I will move on to in details about DEX. You see, we are already in the third phase. You see, first phase is Bitcoin, blockchain, what is DeFi? Second phase is what is the DeFi backbone? Okay, how DeFi works. Okay, third, we are going into decentralized exchange, or we call decentralized money market or DEX. Okay, so decentralized exchange actually connects borrower and lender, which means anybody here that using DeFi, right? They can be banks. Okay, you can be a bank. Okay, you can be lender as long as you have extra assets or you have extra money to do so. Okay, as a borrower, say if I want to borrow any money, I can go to DEX to borrow. How can I borrow? How it works? So for borrower part, we actually borrow against cryptocurrency collateral. Okay, like for example, let's say we use traditional banking, traditional financial system. We go to the bank and then the bank will do a financial background check, and then they will need to know what is your financial standing, what asset do you have? Do you have a house or etc. etc. Okay, but in decentralized action, in DeFi, right, we don't have such procedure, no. Okay, as long as we have cryptocurrency, be it less or more, okay, as long as you have cryptocurrency, you can actually proceed to borrow anything in DeFi. Okay, so you use your cryptocurrency, your current cryptocurrency to borrow other cryptocurrency, or can you borrow more cryptocurrency, and then you will utilize further. Depends on how you're gonna use the cryptocurrency. Okay, so that's for borrower part. For lender part, okay, we use our either asset or other cryptocurrency to earn interest. We call it yield farming. Okay, in other words, they call it yield farming, which means we, as a lender, we borrow out our funds to the borrower, and then we can get to earn interest, just like how we save our money in bank. But of course, the return or the interest is far more higher than our current bank interest rate. Okay, so the fourth one will be autonomous management of loan term. Okay, autonomous, this word is like automatically, everything is automated. Okay, so when it comes to DeFi, you want to borrow, you want to lend or whatever things that you do in DeFi, right, it's actually automated, because we are utilizing, still remember not, we're utilizing blockchain and also smart contract. So for example, you want to loan how long, how much, what is the interest, everything is through supply and demand, and also based on market. Okay, so maybe you guys like still blur or how it works, how it actually looks like. Okay, from this part, I will explain how we gonna start first. Okay, just to give you guys a clearer picture. Okay, to start DeFi or how to participate in DeFi is actually very simple. You just need two things only. The first thing will be crypto wallet. You will need to have a wallet to keep your cryptocurrency. Okay, for example, Bitcoin, you need to have a wallet or software wallet or a hardware wallet, depends. Okay, so as long as you have a wallet, you can interact with blockchain or any DEPs. Okay, DEPs is we call it decentralized application. Okay, you guys can also note down DEPs, and then you guys can proceed to research further on DEPs. Okay, but actually DEX is also called as a DEPs. Okay, so you need to have a crypto wallet. So for crypto wallet, personally, I'm using this Trust Wallet and also MetaMask. Quite popular in crypto, in this crypto world. So the second thing we'll need is cryptocurrency, or we call stable coins. Okay, so stable coin is also a cryptocurrency, but it is one-to-one value pegged to US dollar. Okay, such as this USDT, BUSD, USDC, all these are one-to-one US dollar value cryptocurrency. Okay, so far you guys have any question or not? Before I proceed, any question? Let me check the chat box here. Not for me, good stuff. Clear like my shampoo. Means that anyone of crypto can trust. Okay, Edward, for Edward question, right? As long as you are in this cryptocurrency world, we trust no one. You just remember one word, we trust no one. We trust the system itself, because we are utilizing blockchain technology. Okay, so that's why I'm so sorry because today I can't explain or dig into details for this blockchain part, because blockchain is very, very complicated thing. So same, you guys can research after this. Okay, so next question, Ray K. Yeah, link for the Trust Wallet, please. Okay, Trust Wallet, you guys can take note. Trust Wallet is actually an app in your phone. Okay, so this wallet is actually stored, it's a software wallet, we call it software wallet that store in your phone. So you can actually back up the wallet, or you can export the wallet to anywhere else. This one I will show you later. And next one, how to be, is good so far. Okay, next, how to be a borrower or lender. Okay, later I will show some demo in case you guys don't know. Later I will share demo on DeFi, how it works, how it actually look like. Okay, very good explanation. No trust verified in crypto space. Okay, why the USDT rate not same as USDT, sometimes higher? Okay, this one to keep it simple, this is actually based on supply and demand. Okay, if everyone thinks that US dollar value is, I mean USD, this crypto, this stable coin value is higher. Sorry, 1 second, I have a parcel. So sorry. Hey, sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. I have a parcel from Shopee. Okay, let's go back to this USD thing. USDT, the rate I can put in a way that the rate is based on market. Okay, if everyone agree to this value, this price, you're good. Okay, so I saw Clement shared this apps link on this chat box, so you guys can have a look. And just now I'm so sorry, I missed out one question now from Kendall Bus. Is Luno considered as one of the DApp? I'm so sorry, Luno is not a DApp. Luno is actually a centralized app, because Luno has a company. A company runs this this entire wallet thing, and then this wallet, right, you actually doesn't have full authority on the coin. Between one day, if Luno runs away with your money, goodbye, that's all. You can't get back your cryptocurrency if you store your cryptocurrency with Luno. So I hope I can answer your question, Kendall. Let's go next. Ray K, thank you. Okay, you're welcome. Yu Chin, what is TronLink Pro? Just another wallet. Oh, I'm so sorry, Yu Chin. This one I need to Google search a bit because I didn't heard before TronLink Pro. So sorry. And Chu, wanted to start my crypto long job already. Nice joke. Okay, what is the cheapest way to onboard from RM to US dollar? Wow, this question. I think you can look into this. I call Binance P2P, or you can try Remitano. we call it peer-to-peer platform. You guys can have a look. Just sign up and then just proceed to buy from other sellers in Malaysia. Okay, next, Edward Kwa. The system is trustable and powerful, but the price of cryptocurrency not stable for us. Feel like not comfortable to invest. What do you think? Okay, this one maybe I can explain later. Okay, Derek, can you please help me to take note of this question, because this one is more to like Q&A of outlook on financial market. Okay, okay, understand. Okay, one more question. DeFi staking same as lock staking. This one you also can, Derek, you can take note of it also. So later I can answer them. Elliot, Binance P2P cheaper, Remy Tano rate higher. Okay, yes. Okay, this one. Okay, so far I think I answered most of your question. So let me proceed back to this my presentation. So as we all know that we just need two things: crypto wallet and also stablecoin. So without further ado, let's do some demo action on DeFi. So you guys can see my screen. Let me show you one simple example. So this Pancake Swap Finance, right, is one of these we call decentralized exchange, DEX. Okay, this platform they offer a lot of services. Okay, that's what we mentioned just now. So first thing, you see, it will prompt me to log in my wallet, because you need to interact with this platform, is or not. See, so I'm using this Binance Smart Chain wallet. Okay, so you see, this is my wallet address. Okay, it's some sort like numbers and also alphabet. So this wallet is connected to the platform, so no, I'm currently interacting with my, the platform is currently interacting with my wallet. So let me show you. The first thing will be the exchange first. Okay, exchange is what I mentioned just now. We can buy or sell, or you can swap anything you like. Okay, so for example, let's say let me connect my wallet again. Okay, so you see my wallet right now. I have 0.16 Binance coin BNB and 500 of BUSD. Okay, this BUSD is what I mentioned just now. This is the stable coin that I'm holding in my wallet, 500 BUSD. So you see, if for example I want to buy Bitcoin using my BUSD, so I just search BUSD. Okay, and then next, let's say I want to buy Bitcoin. Just an example, Bitcoin. So let's say I put 1 Bitcoin. You see, it will directly show this price, market price. You see, 3,600. Okay, for 1 Bitcoin. So you saw everything here. So let's say I don't want to buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a bit expensive. Let me try something else. Maybe Doji. Okay, Doji quite hype recently. So Doji, you see, Doji currently, or some they call it Dogecoin. Okay, I used to mention Dogecoin. Okay, so Doji 0.345421 USD per Doji. Okay, so for example, if I want to purchase maybe 100 Doji, 100 Doji. See, 100 Doji will cost me about 35. Okay, maybe I try 100 okay, 100 USD. Okay, so if I use 100 USD stable coin, I can get about 287 Doji. Okay, you see, this one is decentralized app. We doesn't need to go through any middleman. So you see, let's say I want to swap. Okay, by using 100 BUSD, I will get like 287 Doji. Okay, they will mention, okay, how much minimum you will receive, what is the price impact, okay, what is the fees that I will need to pay, etc. So let's say I accept, okay, confirm. Okay, the moment when I confirm, right, the wallet will be prompt for the transaction, is or not? Okay, so this one, what you are seeing here is actually some sort of transaction confirmation, but in this in behind of this thing, right, it's actually a smart contract. The platform agrees to take my 100 USD, and then in another way, I will get how much Dogecoin. Okay, let's say I confirm. Okay, transaction submitted. You see, view on BSC scan. Okay, this one is the blockchain. So I proceed to click on it, and then I wait for this transaction to, you see, this transaction has been included into block number 765 blah 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 and will be reflected in a short while, which means my transaction already proceed on blockchain. Okay, this is the, I mean, this website is a place that I can monitor my transaction. So refresh, done. You see, status success, timestamp, what time, what date. Okay, everything is recorded in blockchain. You saw or not? You see, from 100 BUSD to 287 Dogecoin. So let me refresh my wallet. Okay, you see, the transaction is done. You see, 500, I left 400. And then right now I have 287.48 Dogecoin. So this is how decentralized exchange work. Okay, you guys have any question? Or? Let me check. Testing. Binance is the best. PancakeSwap is only for BSC token, right? Not ETH. Yes, correct. This PancakeSwap is for Binance Smart Chain or Binance Smart Chain blockchain, this network only. We'll catch up the rest. Okay, great. Binance equals to BUSD. No. Don't confuse. This BUSD is actually Binance US dollar. This one I will talk about it later. I can use MetaMask on PancakeSwap. Yes, you can actually use MetaMask on PancakeSwap. This one a bit technical part. Later I will talk about it. Let me show you further. So just now we talked about borrower and lender, correct or not? So let me show you. Like actually, I'm doing some lending process on this platform also. So let me go to this farm. You see, they call it farm. So cute. Farm. Okay, so you see, there are a lot of cryptocurrency. Okay, they are in pairs. So you see, they will show how much is the APR. APR, we call it annual percentage return, or some they call it annual percentage yield, which means how much interest you will get to earn if you become along or you become the lender. Okay, so for example, let me show you my current portfolio. Okay, I have two lending process here in this PancakeSwap. The first one will be Lina and BUSD. It's like two cryptocurrency I supply to this platform. Me as a supplier, okay, I'm actually earnings you see, here it shows 96.34 APR. So you see, one day I'm actually earning around 0.27%. 7 days is about 1.86, and then 30 days is about 8.23. Okay, 1 year, 100%. So that's how huge the return is in DeFi. Okay, let me show you the second one. You see, actually every second I'm making money. You see. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay, you saw or not? The number is going up. You see, currently it's 55.34. This one I can harvest. This one is my return on being a lender. Okay, you see, it's going up. You guys saw or not? Every second, the interest payout is going into my wallet. Okay, so what I need to do, I can harvest. So let's say if I want to harvest this interest, okay, same, you see, the wallet will prompt me again. You see, this is another smart contract coming out. You see, so if I want to confirm this transaction, I will need to pay the gas fee. This one is the transaction fees. Every time I need to do a transaction, I will pay a fees. So let's say I confirm. So loading. I'm gonna harvest this 55 US dollar. Okay. So boom, becomes 0. So or not? So I will get. Just now, it shows like 3 kicks. See, 3 kicks. So let's go into this. Let me show you how much is 1 kick. Because kick is my interest. Okay, kick is one of the cryptocurrency on this platform. So let's say I go to exchange again. So let me check how much is a kick can get me. Let's say I change to US dollar. So 1 kick will cost me. Will get me how much? About 15.992 US dollar. So let's say just now I harvest like 3.5K. So I get about 56 US dollar. Okay, so that's how DeFi and also decentralized exchange work. Just a rough preview lah. Okay, so you guys have any question or not? Let me check the chat box. We'll be talking about providing liquidity and also impermanent loss later. I'm sorry, Tang, this one is quite technical part. I will just, no, I will not go, I won't go through, so sorry. Chill, I swapped some altcoin using Uniswap, charge me 100 gas fee. Okay, this one is something to do with Ethereum network. This one I also won't cover much. Okay, next, I found new Sangchi already. Okay, thanks. What is the difference between Pancake Swap and Uniswap? Okay, actually, this is a good question. If you guys realize, right, there are actually a lot of platforms. You see, just now I'm using Pancake Swap as a sample to show you guys, a demo to show you guys. There are actually few more, I mean, there are a lot more platform out there, you see. Okay, let me close down this transaction thing. You see, we have this, we call beearn.finance. Okay, this is also another platform, another DeFi platform. You see, let's say I unlock my wallet, which means I connect my wallet to this platform. See, so my wallet is connected. This one, maybe I can try using MetaMask. Okay, you see, MetaMask is another crypto wallet I'm using. Okay, unlock, and then boom, connected. So you see, when I connected here, I can do anything here. You see, like, okay, I want to invest or I want to become a supplier here. So you just look up, and of course you need to do your own research because not everything is safe. Okay, everything comes with risk in DeFi, which I will talk about it later. So you see here, I also invested some, I mean, a small portion of amount. Okay, you see BUSD and US dollar BDEX LP. So it's like same, I become a lender, I put in my money here, and I'm actually earning 0.293% daily. Okay, if you guys saw this TVL, right? TVL means that total value locked on this particular pairing. Okay, it's like 3.1 million US dollar is inside this, which means there are 3.1 million people lending to here. Okay, you see, we have another platform like Value DeFi and more. There are a lot of platforms. You see, I can't open up so many tabs. Just to let you know that there are actually numerous amount of DeFi platform out there. So it all depends on which one you want to use. Okay, so I hope I answer your question, Alan. So Chill, one using BSC, one using ERC20. Okay, correct. So I think demo is still here. I mean, demo until here only. So you guys have any question or not? If no question, I will talk about risk. Okay, so DeFi risk. Everything comes with risk. Okay, for me, I think that DeFi is quite young, or I think still in infancy stage. Okay, so whenever you want to use or you want to take part on this DeFi, right, you need to use with cautious. Okay, and also it will involve financial risk. Why financial risk? Because as we all know that cryptocurrency, the price fluctuation is very volatile. So you see, like today itself, you see all this cryptocurrency has already dropped more than like 5%. This one now. So it involves financial risk. So same, we go to invest on what you afford to lose. Okay, just like investing anything else, make sure that you know what you are investing. So you need to do your own research, DYOR. Okay, and third risk will be technical risk. Okay, this technical risk, I won't explain much also. Okay, because this one is like more to very technical part thing. It has something to do with your wallet and also the platform. Okay, there's a lot of external risks that you need to take note of. So same back to, you need to do your own research. Okay, last but not least, rug pulls. Okay, what is rug pull? Rug pull means that, for example, you are using this platform. So what if this platform is a scam platform? Okay, what if there are people behind this platform, they have total full control of this thing? What if your money you invest here and then they actually take away your money, they run away with your money? There is this kind of possibility, even we have blockchain behind it. But just to let you know, you need to be cautious because there are some, we call it scam platform. So you guys need to take note of. So same, back to do your own research and invest on whatever you afford to lose only. Okay, that's for DeFi. So Q&A session, you guys can actually open up your mic and ask whatever things you need, you want to ask. So basically DeFi is, I mean, I already shared the entire picture to you. What is DeFi? Any question, any question? Okay, let me look at this chat box. CY, how liquidity is a smart contract? Is there a certain period need to commit or subjective to the contract? Okay, for this smart contract, right, it's actually free to, it's up to you. Okay, if let's say you want to quit now, or you want to take everything out from this platform, you can actually do that. Okay, so for example, just now this pancake swap, right? Okay, me as a lender, right? Let's say I go to my portfolio. You see, let's say this one, if I would like to stop now, right? I just click on it and just unstake. Some they call it staking, okay, unstake. So when I unstake, I confirm everything will be out, and then I can switch everything back to stablecoin. Okay, so there's no period or fixed period, but it's also subject to the platform that you are using, because some platform they will limit you how long you cannot touch the fund, or at least minimum you need to put how long your funds. But usually we doesn't have that kind of limitation, because it's like if that platform that they lock your funds, right, it will be quite dangerous, because maybe it's a scam project, we don't know. Okay, so when you want to quit, you might face any issue. Okay, so CY, I hope I answer your question. So Kendall, sorry, a bit confused, but could you explain where those farming lending interest from? Well, this one is very technical part, bro. This one I won't touch so much, but same, I just can let you know that this interest or payout is actually based on market demand and also supply. The more people transact on this platform, the more we get to earn. That's how it works. Everything is like peer-to-peer. Okay. So next, Ray K. There are so many platforms. How did you decide on what to use? Okay, very good question, Ray. Actually, if you do your research, right, the most we usually go for the most popular platform and also the most the largest platform. So for Binance Smart Chain, right, the largest platform for this will be Pancake Swap, and it is quite popular recently. You see, and I'm not sure how much is the total value locked here, but for sure it's more than 100 billions is locked inside this this platform. Okay, I'm not sure why it's not showing. And then you see they have many services. You see, like they have farms, pools, and then lottery. You see, even they have some sort like activities. You see, collectibles, then battles, team and profile, etc., etc. So it all depends on which platform you want to use. For me, I will go for this Pancake, because it is the largest and also the most popular in Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so next will be Dominic Lim. Hi Douglas, mind to briefly explain about flash loan. Flash loan, this one I think I can't explain much on it, because this one is also involved very technical thing. Okay, because today we are more like preview talk of DeFi only. Okay, so I'm so sorry. Okay, next, Keng Hui. Okay, Keng Hui. Hi Douglas, could you explain a bit of crypto IDO? Have a friend been making 10x profit in this new coin launch? Was wondering if it is legit. Actually, back to the main question. we trust no one. We trust the system. So if the project is making money, as long as you already profit from the project, right? As long as you can cash out the project, okay, you can realize the profit from the project, then for me it's legit. Okay, so it depends on how you look into this kind of project. There are a lot of good projects out there. Okay, can easily achieve 10 or 20 times profit. Okay, of the cryptocurrency itself. So it all depends lah. Okay. So next, Kendall, please explain what is BUSD and Binance. Thanks. Okay, Binance is actually one of the largest cryptocurrency platform. It's a centralized platform because it's run by Binance. Binance is a company. So I also personally using Binance platform to trade and also invest. But for other, I mean for side hustle, you know, I invest on this DeFi also, because DeFi it utilized on another part of cryptocurrency. So for BUSD, it's actually a stable coin I mentioned just now. It's a one-to-one value to US dollar. So BUSD is actually a coin, and how it works in details, right? I also can't explain much because it's very complicated stuff. But as long as we know that the cryptocurrency itself is one-to-one to US dollar. So, and also this Binance Smart Chain, right, is also by Binance itself. Okay, but the thing is that they create this thing out and then it will be automated. So they are not actually controlling this Binance entire blockchain network. No, okay, don't be confused. The blockchain itself is a system, it's a technology. Okay, so next, what do you use? What do you use to send Ethereum to the BSC platform? Already have Ethereum. Okay, this one, Ray, you can take note. We have something called bridge. Okay, this one is quite technical stuff also, but I can share you a bit. Okay, so let's say I go to exchange. Okay, because for those who are not familiar with Ethereum or Binance, right, it's actually two different cryptocurrency and also two different blockchain. Okay, so if you want to send Ethereum to Binance, it's not possible. But for now, we are possible because there are something called Binance Chain or Binance Bridge. So by using this bridge, this technology, we can actually swap from a network, a blockchain network to another blockchain network. So for Ray, right, you can actually use Ethereum to transfer to Binance Smart Chain using this bridge thing. So you can save now. Maybe I can save and send it to the chat. Okay, so you can use this bridge. So this one is also very technical part, so I won't touch much. CY, referring to previous question, what are the difference between stablecoin USDT, USDC, BUSD? Okay, actually, this is also a very good question. Actually, there are a lot of platforms, you see. Okay, we have a lot of DeFi platforms. So same to USD. The first and very original stablecoin is actually USDT. They call it USD Theater. So after this USD Theater, right, there are more and more stablecoin coming out, emerging from the market. Okay, there are different team running on it or different company running on it, but everything is utilizing blockchain also. So it's like mushroom, everything get pop up because of the hype. So there are a lot of stablecoin, but depends on which one you want to use also. But the most famous one will be USDT and BUSD, of course, and also USDC. So all these stable coins are actually the same one-to-one to US dollar value. Okay, thank you, Douglas. Welcome. Thank you for your well-articulate. Okay, thank you, Kenneth. Will Douglas be running such platform? Wow, this one is a very, very good suggestion. Okay, actually, this one is involved a lot of party, a lot of resources. Okay, I have a thought before to run my own blockchain, but it's not simple as it seems. Okay, you need to have a team of tech geek, we call it computer geeks, and also someone who know and how to operate blockchain and also programming. Involved of a lot of IT person and also a lot of money. Okay, so this one can think not now. Okay, so Tang, you mentioned in some platform you don't really hold the coin. They can run away with the coin, right? So what can we do to make sure we hold the coins? Actually, if you invest on those platforms, you are already using you already put your coin into those blockchain or smart contract. Okay, and those coins are actually in the smart contract itself or the platform. Depends on how the platform works. So if those scam platform, right, usually they will have something fishy behind the smart contract, so they can run away with your money using the smart contract. It's like pro and cons lah. Some people, they will use smart contract to do bad things. So you need to be vigilant and also do your own research. Okay, so choose the right platform. Yeah, Douglas coin. Need many miners. I will buy for. Okay, so I think that's all. Any more question, guys? Any more? I mean, question on DeFi. We don't go into details. I'm so surprised that so many of you are actually questioning into so technical part of this DeFi, because I'm expecting those who are new to DeFi or new to blockchain. So any more question, guys? Any more question? Or Derek, you have question?
Hey guys, just to add on, right? Hey, thank you so much for sharing, Douglas. So I do want to add on, right, that do keep in touch with what we're doing, because what you guys mentioned just now about starting your own blockchain application, we're actually working on that in our team, and we're gonna do an extra presentation sharing session on that in the coming weeks. So do keep in touch with us. I'm gonna drop the link to join our community as well as the link to join Douglas, so you can keep in touch with us. Then we can invite you guys for the future ones as well. Cheers. Continue, Douglas. Continue. Yeah.
Okay, I think so far that's all for my part. So allow me to upsell a bit. Okay. So actually, ChartDWorks, I told you just now, right? We are actually focusing on financial and trading, investment and education. So if you guys would like to bring this thing into next level, or you guys want to dig deeper, you guys can actually look on our courses. Okay, we have 3 blockchain and crypto courses. The first one will be basic to blockchain and cryptocurrency course. This one is actually suitable for newbies. We call it newbies. Okay, there's you have zero knowledge on Bitcoin or blockchain. Okay, this one will be suitable for you. Okay, the price will be $500 per pax, but on this special today event, we are actually giving out 10% discount for all the attendees. Okay, so any one of you are interested, you can get in touch with us or Derek or the Hacker Collective after this. And second will be Crypto Expert Mastery class. This one is for those who are already in blockchain or cryptocurrency and you want to know how we utilize blockchain or how we maximize profit out of this blockchain stuff, right? You can go for this Crypto Expert Mastery class. Okay, this one we will share our our secret our strategy on how to generate double or triple digit monthly. Okay, with our special method. Okay, so we're more focusing on how to make profit out of this DeFi thing. Okay, or this entire cryptocurrency. And then next will be DeFi. Okay, so for those who wanted to only focus on DeFi, how to utilize, how to earn like me, every second money is coming in. Yes, DeFi is for you. Okay, so for this details catalog, you guys can actually get in touch with us later, and then we can share more details about it. So that's all from my part. Thank you guys for the time, and thank you for joining us. Appreciate.
Awesome. Hey, Douglas, and everyone, don't leave first. If you guys don't mind, let's take a group picture on your cameras. Let's take a group picture so we can sustain more events like this in the future. Kind of like a marketing initiative as well. Hey, Douglas, can you off your screen share?
Okay, before I off, just if you guys want to get in touch with us or how, just okay, you guys can screenshot or take down this phone number or our website, or guys can use you can get in touch with us through social media like Facebook and Instagram. So I will stop sharing right now and let's take a group photo.
I say take group photo. Everyone leave already. Okay, guys. Okay, thank you so much for those of you who are still here. If you really don't feel comfortable, no worries. Just keep it off. Just want to take one to show that people are actually interested in this topic, and to show that we can even do this more often in the future, right? So I'm gonna take one in 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Okay, awesome, guys. Got it. Hey, thank you so much again. Thank you, Douglas. Thank you, everyone, for joining in. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to just message any of us. I dropped the link in there. Join the community. We keep in touch there. Okay. Thanks, guys. See you guys. Thanks,
Thank
Douglas.
you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.